Welcome to the Silicon Coup. Is Apple and Google replacing your bank? This intelligence briefing explores the migration of global financial power. The new center of absolute power is shifting. For a century, the Federal Reserve controlled the money. Today, a new power is rising from Northern California, fueled by modern tech. In this emerging financial regime, data is the new interest rate. Control over the economy no longer relies on adjusting interest rates, but on dictating one asset: user data. The paradigm shift moves from the human governor to the AI governor. Decisions transition from lagging indicators to real-time reality. Control shifts from interest rates to data flows, and capital moves from cash reserves to brand trust, all at the speed of light. Pillar 1 is the invisible bank. Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Amazon Credit are becoming the foundational infrastructure of global finance. Big tech intends to be the financial system itself. Brand trust now supersedes bank capital. The Apple Goldman phenomenon demonstrated this, gathering billions in deposits rapidly. Big tech captures the user relationship and value, while traditional banks handle the regulated backend. Pillar 2 is the AI governor. While the Federal Reserve uses lagging data, big tech's AI operates on real-time reality. This allows them to map economic shifts before they are registered in traditional systems. Predictive liquidity dictates the market. Google's AI models analyze search intent to predict consumer spending months in advance, making traditional economic indicators obsolete. They know your spending patterns before you do. The AI governor detects recessions via, quote, the 0.01% macro signal. Monitoring server usage across millions of businesses, a tiny drop in cloud spending serves as an immediate, flawless leading indicator of corporate contraction, long before GDP drops. Pillar 3 is the end of cash. As physical currency evaporates, the battleground shifts to central bank digital currencies. Big tech is positioning its infrastructure to capture this digital fiat pipeline. This creates the new sovereign tech stack. Big tech positions itself as the exclusive front end for future government money. Traditional banks are squeezed in the middle, reduced to compliance layers. The Silicon Coup ecosystem connects infrastructure, intelligence, and currency in a closed invisible bank loop. Every transaction generates data to fuel the AI governor's predictive liquidity models. The great irony of 2026 is that the biggest threat to Wall Street is not a crash, but a software update. An algorithm tweaked by big tech, which controls the financial front end, can move markets more than a Federal Reserve policy shift. The solo quant verdict: money is migrating. To survive the Silicon Coup, the analytical framework must evolve. Do not just follow the charts. Follow the data flow. These are the keys to the new kingdom. Power has permanently shifted from the vault to the cloud. The question is whether you are positioned to navigate this new financial reality.